Go!
Happy birthday, Super Neo!
Hi Neo! I'm just dropping by to say happy 8th birthday! Mama Ninang is so proud of you. You just turned 8 pero ang dami mo ng achievements. Yay! So, I'm so proud of you. Hindi ka lang magaling sa school pero mahusay ka rin in your daily activities. That's why you're already an expert in inspiring a lot of people because of what you do. And because of that, you are a legit T1D ambassador. Kasi pinapakita mo sa buong mundo na having a T1D is not a hindrance, hindi siya lang para maging masaya, maging active, at maging successful in life even if sa murang edad mo pa lang. So you're a real role model para sa mga batang katulad mo at sa lahat ng nakakita at nakakilala sa'yo. So I'm very proud of you. So my wish for you and my prayer is to always have good health, to have maintain that positive attitude in life, continue to be a good boy to mommy and daddy, and also continue to be a kind, awesome person that you already are to everyone na makakasalamuha mo. Also, cheers sa lahat ng wins mo pa at magiging wins mo, whether small or big, at sa mga marami pang adventures na pagdadaanan mo. So, again, happy birthday. Enjoy, have fun, and I hope to see you soon. I love you. Bye!
Happy 8th birthday, Neo! Please continue being the brave, smart, and God-fearing T1D warrior that you are. See you soon! Ninong Von loves you!
Hi Neo! Happy 8th birthday! Hope na-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Love ka ni Tito Vanji. Meron nga pala gustong bumati sa'yo. Eto ano pa to? Galing pa sa mga ibang lugar to. O ito, pati sila sa'yo Wait. Ayan, kilala mo yan?
Hi, Neo!
Ito pa
Hi, Neo. I'm Ash. Happy birthday. Hello, happy birthday, Neo.
Gusto niyan? Okay, happy birthday Neo! Eto na. Bye, enjoy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Neo. We love you. Wish you good health, Mama.
Happy birthday, Neo! We love you! Study hard and sana maging healthy ka palalo. Be thankful kasi nandyan si mommy and daddy mo na always supporting you sa lahat ng gusto mo. So, yung mga gift nila ninang na i-Gcash na namin at napirmahan na namin, kunin mo kay mommy. Mga 10 flood control project yon, okay? Enjoy your day, Neo! Love you!
To you, happy birthday, dear my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nobody, nobody. Dear my friend. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Neo. Love you.
Hi T1 Buddy, Neo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. And always pray. Bye-bye. Hi Neo. Happy birthday. It's me, Ate RC. More birthday to come. God bless you always and good health always. Happy birthday, Super Neo. Always stay strong and jolly as ever. Continue to be the inspiration to all T1D warriors like us. Again, happy birthday. See you soon. We love you.
Hello to our Super Neo! Happy birthday, Kitty Neo! Thank you for always sharing your blessings to all of us T1 kids like us. God bless you more, Bebe, and we love you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Neo. Enjoy your special day.
Neo, stay healthy, buddy. See you soon. Happy birthday, Neo. I love you. I miss you. I have a great day. I do, and I have a congratulations with honor. Happy birthday, Neo. I miss you so much. God bless you. Bye.
Hello, Neo. Happy birthday. I hope we see you again soon.
Happy birthday, Kuya Neo. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Kuya Neo. Let's eat so much chocolates. Birthday, Kuya Neo. God bless you. Love you. Happy birthday, Neo. God bless you. Neo, I wish you good health. Birthday, Kuya Neo. I wish you good health.
Happy birthday, Neo. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Neo.
Happy birthday.
Love from your tito and the titos and tita from the UK. We're stuck in Amsterdam. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Neo, happy birthday. This is your Lola Freddy. Hope you have a very fun, exciting, and joyful birthday. Many more to come. I wish I was there. God bless you. And always remember, we love you. Lola Freddy loves you. Bye.
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Neo.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy the birthday. I love you, Neo. Happy birthday. Bye. Bye.
So yan, happy birthday sa'yo, Neo. So, wishing you a good health. At sana lumaki ka pang mabuting bata. Sumunod sa magulang. O maging masunurin sa magulang mo. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Yun lang. Dito pa ako sa Tagaytay. So, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Neo.
Happy birthday, superhero Neo Pogi. May you have more birthdays to come. Always be a good boy to your mom and dad.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you, Lolo Ben.
Love you.
And Tita Maricel. And Benji Kulit. Ayun o. Makulit. Bye. God bless.
Birthday, Kuya Neo. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday. Ako si Zachary and si Savis here. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday sa mo. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday kay Neo. Go.
Happy birthday, Kuya Neo.
Swanin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Neo. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday. Ako si Zachary. Ako si Savi. Happy birthday. We miss you.
Osa.
Happy birthday.
Neo. Good health.
Happy birthday, Neo, from Kuya Aaron. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, and I hope that you spend it with family and friends very well. Eat a lot of food, and party, party, party. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neo.
Happy birthday,
I love
Neo.
you.
I love you.
Have a good health always.
Happy birthday, goodies go away.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Neo, happy birthday, Neo. Have a good health. God bless. Hello.
Happy birthday, Neo. Happy birthday to you. You belong to the zoo with a monkey and a donkey and a big kangaroo. Happy birthday, Neo. Mwah, love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Neo. Papa. Message ka.
Neo, be good always.
Nami.
Have a healthy life. Happy birthday.
Always be happy. Enjoy. You are 8 years old today. Be good to your mom and dad and always follow what they are saying. Be healthy, baby. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Love you, Neo.
Love, love.
Kiss na love.
Love, love.
Hello, Neo. Happy birthday. Hope for your good health.
Happy birthday, Super Neo. Okay lang maging makulit, basta listen to your mom and dad.
Enjoy your day. Aral mabuti. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mia. Pray ko sa'yo lagi good health lang. Tapos, i-maintain mo lang yung magandang sugar. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw kahit na wala kami. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Neo! We are praying for your health always. Remember that you are Franca's favorite. God bless you always. Happy birthday and we love you.
Happy birthday, Neo!
Hi! Happy birthday, Neo. Happy 8th birthday. So, big boy ka na, 8 years old ka na. So, wish lang ni ate sa'yo is always be a loving boy. Stay makulit. Wag lang masyado. Yung nakikitang kulit, wag ganon. I love you always and be more patient in the future. Wag laging mainit ang ulo. Masyado kang nakahawa sa tatay mo. Ayan, I love you always. And Auntie's always praying for your good health. So, wala na tayong ER scares. This 2026. At mas maging healthy ka pa. Mas maging strong ka pa this 2026. I love you always. You always be Auntie's baby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neo baby! Sana i-enjoy mo yung araw na to and gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na I'm always proud of you dahil kahit bata ka pa lang is ang dami mo ng achievements na nagagawa and I'm sure na proud din sa'yo yung parents mo and sana maging mas close pa tayo, wag ka mahihiya sa akin. Pero kahit ganon, lagi lang ako nandito for you. I love you. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Neo. God bless you. I love you. I hope you had fun with your mom and dad. And I hope you had fun with your birthday.
Game. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sing ka, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nia.
Happy birthday, Neo.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Neo. I wish you a good health and hope you live a good life.
Happy birthday, Neo. God bless you. Happy birthday, Neo.
Happy birthday, Neo.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Neo! We love you so much. I hope you enjoyed your special day today. Although it's a simple celebration, it's full of love and we are very thankful and grateful to God Almighty for having you in our lives. We love you so much, baby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby. Stay kulit lang. No problem yun. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa araw na to. Very simple lang, pero sana maging memorable. And then, we are so proud of you and nakita ko yung changes mo ngayon, lalo na you're 8 years old na, diba sabi natin pag 8 years old ka na, ikaw nagagawa ng mga gawain mo, especially sa self mo, paliligo and everything, and nakikita naman namin na you're improving. Thank you so much for being strong and for being brave. Know that you are loved by mom and dad. We're always here for you. I love you, baby.
We love
Happy
you, baby.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
The end. What will you say? What did you feel after seeing all your friends? Seeing all your friends, all your family. Happy. Why you wanna cry? You wanna cry? Why you're teary? I'm just happy. Why you happy?
You're happy because
Happy birthday.
we greeted you happy birthday. Oh, naiyak.
Alam ko naman na kay Master kung naiyak ka nung sumitin siya.
Pati talaga ka na.
Naiyak ba?
Naiyak ka doon. Naiyak ka ba doon sa happy birthday niyo? Diba? You saw your old friends, na? And then your new friends in T1 and your aninang. Diba? Yung mga ninang mo, ninong mo, mga aunties, mga uncles, mga lolo, lola. You're happy today? You're happy. Or say thank you to them. Thank you. Thank you everyone for greeting me on my birthday. Oh, wait lang.